Hey y'all, it's Anna with Adventures in Cardboard. Today I'm actually in our studio to show you how to make the graduation cap. So you should have gotten a piece like this with a nice little X cut into it. What's going to become our tassel, it has this little rubber tie stapled to it and this long piece here. This is actually going to be the piece that goes around your head, just like that. So start by taking this piece and curving it with your fingers. So that just means using the same technique. I like to do this. We've done this a couple times, but there are other people who like to put it against a surface like here, a corner, and pull down like that to get it to be bent, curved, to be a little bit more flexible. Ooh, just like that. So something that you're actually able to put around your round head and not your square head. So my piece is all done. It's all nice and curved. Next part. Taking your tassel, you're going to do almost the same thing and start to kind of loosen it with your fingers so that you can roll it up and turn it into the actual little tassel that's going to hang off of the hat. I like to have my staple and this little rubber tie facing in. It's just a visual thing on my part. Does not necessarily matter to your build. It's up to you. So I'm going to go ahead and start to roll this up just like that into a nice little pre-tassel. And I'm going to put some tape on this little corner to secure it. Might want to reinforce it. It's going to go through a little bit of stress. If you think about all the tension of that cardboard wanting to unroll, that's the stress. Alright, so tassel, nice and complete. I like to frill my tassels a little bit, which just means I'm going to take and kind of move the individual cardboard strands out so it has a little bit more of a 3D effect to it. It's not just a flat tassel. It's a little easy texture. Here we go. Ta-da! And the next step is to take your tassel and put it through that nice little X in the center of your cardboard hat or your graduation cap. So choose which side you want to be the top, what faces up and what faces you, and you're actually going to put your tassel through the top. So I've decided this side is going to face up when I wear it, like that, and my tassel needs to go through here. There we go. And now I'm going to tape it to the bottom, to the side. So you can see I just took my tassel, folded it over, and I'm going to add some tape to it. Secure it in place. That was easy. Done. Ooh. And I have a toy now. Whoa. Even better. So the next step is to size your head and to get this piece here to fit. So to size your head, put this piece around it and kind of find a comfortable space and then use 2 fingers to grip it. Take it off, keep those fingers there, and take some tape before you lose your mark and quickly just put a piece of tape down to hold your mark. Right. And reinforce it with a little bit more tape when you have it secured. I got a nice little tape flower here to help me. Okay, so the next step is to secure this headband. Ooh, double check that your headband still fits. Yes, I did it. Fits very nicely. So, next step, take your headband, secure it to the bottom of your cap. Again, having a little tape flower prepared beforehand is going to help you. Saves a little time. Saves your fingers. And all I'm doing is putting my tape first on the cardboard bottom. So first on this base here. And then I'm going to take my little band and put it directly up against that bend. And make sure they're really secure and tight together. So it's almost like when we're making swords and we're putting our bamboo in the center of the sword. We want to make sure that we're not tenting the tape to the bamboo or to the cardboard. So that just means that there's no space between either surface. The tape is flush to your build. So I'm just putting a couple pieces around here to secure it, and I'll do a couple on the interior as well. Time to test it. And it fits! I have a complete graduation cap. Well, it's a little loose. But I have a complete graduation cap that I can now wear to any celebrations during this season. Just remember to make sure your tassel, if you're following proper graduation etiquette, is on the correct side. Which I don't know, so I actually don't care about that. But if you want to do that etiquette, go for it. Make sure your tassel's on the correct side. So, there we are. See you all. Bye.